if you get this error message in FC25 which says EA servers are unavailable right now, please try again later, then I will guide you on how to fix this problem. So listen to this tutorial very carefully. Now, EA Sports FC25 EA servers are unavailable, as you see it here on the screenshot. Now, in most cases, you'll get this error message when EA servers are down or under maintenance. So let me repeat this. In most cases, you'll get this error message when EA servers are down or under maintenance. And you can check the server status for EA servers through this website, which will be available on the description. Check the server status for EA games. As you can see, as right now, EA servers are all running. As you can see, the server status are all good. So I'll leave the link in the description so that you can check the server status for EA games, including Football Club 25. Also, you can follow up EA Help at EA Help on X or Twitter for real-time updates regarding the servers. If you've checked the server status and are all good and running, but you're still facing the same problem, then let's go to another step, which is you can also try the following. Restart your device and router. Turn off router, turn your router off, and then unplug it. Wait about a minute, then plug it back in. Turn it back on and try connecting again. You can also close background applications before launching FC25. So try to close background applications before launching FC25. You can also try a different domain name system. So if you're using a PC, I don't know how to configure it on other devices, but if you're using a PC to run this game, you can try a different domain system, which is DNS. And to configure your DNS is very easy. Just go to your settings. So just type settings and open the settings app and select network and internet. Then on the advanced network settings, select change adapter options. Then select the connection which we are using. Since I'm using Wi-Fi, I right click on Wi-Fi and select properties. Now go to Internet Protocol version 4, TCP or IPv4, and go to properties. Then here select use the following DNS server addresses. So select use the following DNS server addresses. And then on the preferred DNS server and alternate DNS server, you'll set it like this as shown it here, which is preferred, which is 8888, and alternate, which will be 8844 as shown here on the application here. As you can see, preferred DNS server and alternate DNS server. After that, click OK to save changes, and then you can cancel and try to relaunch the game. Why choosing this? It is extremely fast and widely available, reliable with low latency in most regions, free and straightforward to configure. So this is the best way to fix this issue, but in most cases you'll be getting this error message a lot when EA servers are down or under maintenance.